Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the new OEM Bike Pack in MX bikes. First, go to Google and search for MXB-Mods, then click on the first link. Once you're on the site, go to the Bikes tab, then click New Bikes and select the Motocross Bike Pack. This is the most popular pack for multiplayer. Now scroll down to the download section. Ignore the server version. You want the one marked Recommended for the general public. Click Download. It's around 2.4 gigabytes, so it may take a few minutes. Once it's done, open two File Explorer windows. In one window, go to your Downloads folder and find the OEM pack you just downloaded. In the second window, go to Documents, Piboso, MX Bikes, Mods, Bikes. Now drag and drop the contents of the OEM pack into the Bikes folder. It's built to automatically organize the files, so you don't have to do anything extra. Once the transfer is complete, open the Bikes folder to make sure all the new bikes are there. You should see 450s, 250s, 125s, and more. Now open MX Bikes, go to your bike selection, and you'll see all the new OEM bikes ready to go. That's it. You're now ready to ride with the latest OEM Bike Pack. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.